Let's make a strawberry ice cream milkshake. It's healthy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Your kids are gonna love this one. And if you want more easy recipes like this, make sure to like the video. First, take some fresh strawberries and soak them for 15 minutes in 4 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of salt. This helps clean off dirt, pesticides, and preservatives. After soaking, rinse them well and remove the green tops. Now cut the strawberries into small pieces so you can easily spot and remove any spoiled ones. Into a blender, add 400 grams strawberries, 300 milliliters milk, 4 tablespoons honey, some ice cubes, 1 large scoop of ice cream. And if you love extra ice cream, go ahead and add more. Now blend everything until smooth and creamy. For serving, pour a little melted ice cream into the glass first. Then add a strawberry, pour in the milkshake, and top it with more strawberries and ice cream. And that's it! Your strawberry ice cream milkshake is ready. Oh man, it tastes so rich, creamy, and refreshing. I can't even describe it in words. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.